Finally, a new H pattern Pro shifter from Logitech is what I wish I could have said at the beginning here of February in 2026, but they still haven't released one. But that doesn't mean you can't upgrade your shifter. So this is the G-Force Pro of the G-Force shifter here from Logitech. It's just the same old that is a little bit toy-like and more fits the G923 series from Logitech. With the toy-like pedals and steering wheel. But if you want to upgrade here to like an RS50, for example, or the Logitech G Pro, then you don't have an H pattern shifter yet. But this is such a cool mod here. Look at that. And this is a difference of night and day in what shifting feels like. And you still have access to like your rear, reverse, and everything fits into place. So this is really, really cool. So the way this works is you get a base plate from 3D Wrap. There are different mod kits out there, but I've tried a few and the 3D Wrap is my favorite. It has these magnets in the middle. So as you can see, it clicks into place. So it adds a lot of resistance to your shifting. And then you have this metal plate on top where these gears go into, where the shifter goes into, so you don't miss shift as much as with the original. Gotta be honest, I was actually quite scared to hack into my Logitech shifter because I'm really not that much of a tinkerer. But the process was quite easy. They have a video where they show you how to do it. You just screw open the cap here for the Logitech shifter. Then you can remove this little bit right here at the top. And there's a screw in there as well. Unscrew that so you can take this off. And then put this together by attaching like this magnet thing in the middle here, and then adding screws so that's nice and secure. And then this can shift left to right and up and down, and these magnets snap into place. And then just screw in this top part right here and screw the whole thing back on the Logitech plate, and everything fits. So now the whole rig fits together a little bit better here. I have the shifter with the upgrade. I have the Logitech RS50 and the Pro pedals, and now everything feels like on par here with the rest of the pedals. I can go to 5, I can go to 6, and I can even put it in reverse here. And it is just such a great upgrade, this. I wish I would have done this way sooner. I think for the price, it's the best thing that you can do to your rig if you're driving Logitech and you like H shifters. And now it's on par, I think, with the Moza shifter here that also has this nice clacky feel. And it's just such a difference clicking this versus clicking the old one. So even though Logitech hasn't come out with a new H shifter yet for the Pro version here, I think if you already have this shifter, upgrading it gives a lot of tactile feel and you won't miss out on anything yet. So very cool. You can also get a mod kit and then screw that on top. Just unscrew the top part here and then screw this one on in just a couple of minutes, and then you have a sequential shifter. So 3D Wrap also sells these, so you can change easily between like sequential and H pattern shifters. So very cool, check them out, and I hope this video has helped you.